I'm Bijal Kansara, Assistant Professor from Electrical Engineering Department of Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. In this video, we will discuss our chapter number 7, Corona, from the subject Power System 2. Corona effect. These are the flow of the content. We discuss what is corona effect, factor affecting corona, environmental facts and conditions, advantages and disadvantages of corona, and reducing method of corona effect. Now, what is corona effect? When an alternating potential difference is applied across a two conductor whose spacing is large as compared to their diameter, there is no apparent change in a condition of the atmospheric air surrounding the wire if the applied voltage is low. However, when the applied voltage exceeds a certain value called a critical disruptive voltage, the conductors are surrounded by a faint violet glow called corona. The phenomena of ionization of surrounding air around the conductor, hissing noise, and production of ozone gas in an overhead transmission line is known as a corona effect. The higher the voltage is raised, the larger and higher the luminous envelope becomes, and greater the sound and the power loss and the radio noise increases. If the applied voltage is increased to the breakdown value, a flashover will occur between the conductors due to the breakdown of air insulation. So, the corona definition is that the phenomena of violet glow, hissing noise, and production of ozone gas in an overhead transmission line is known as a corona. If conductors are polished and smooth, the corona glow will be uniform throughout the length of the conductor. Otherwise, rough points will appear brighter. With the DC voltage, there is a difference in the appearance of the two wire. The positive wire has a uniform glow about the corona and negative conductor has a spotty glow. Now, factor affecting corona. The phenomena of corona is affected by a physical state of the atmosphere as well as by the condition of the line. The following are the factors upon which corona depends. First is atmosphere, second is conductor size, third is the spacing between the conductors, fourth is supply voltage and air density factor. Now first is the atmosphere. As a corona is formed due to the ionization of air surrounding the conductor, therefore it is affected by a physical state of the atmosphere. In the stormy weather, the number of ion is more than normal, and such corona occurs at much less voltage as compared with the fair weather. So in a rainy condition or a humid weather, corona occurs at the lower voltage. Now second is a conductor size. The corona effect depends upon the shape and condition of the conductors. The rough and irregular surface will give rise to a more corona because unevenness of the surface decreases the value of breakdown voltage. Thus, a stranded conductor has its regular surface and hence give rise to more corona than a solid conductor. So, in a stranded conductor, there is a more corona compared to the solid conductor. Now, third one is a spacing between the conductors. If the spacing between the conductor is made very large as compared to their diameters, there may not be any corona. If spacing between conductor, spacing means these two conductor is, this spacing is very large compared to their diameter, there may not be any corona effect. It is because larger distance between the conductor reduces the electrostatic stress at the conductor surface, thus avoiding corona formation. If the spacing between conductor is large compared to their diameter, there is no occurrence of the corona. Now, supply voltage or a line voltage. The line voltage greatly affects the corona. If it is a low, there is no change in a condition of air surrounding the conductors and hence no corona is formed. However, if the line voltage has such a value that electrostatic stress developed at the conductor surface make the air surrounded the conductor conducting, and then corona is formed. Means if the supply voltage is low, no corona occur. If supply voltage is exceed by some limit, then and only then air surrounding the conductor is become ionizing, and then corona is formed. And last is air density factor. Air density factor is denoted by rho and its value is 3.92 B. Air density factor is denoted by this symbol rho and it is given by 3.92 into B upon 273 plus T. Here T is a temperature and B is a barometric pressure of the air, and T is a temperature and 3.92 is a coefficient. So rho is the air density factor for the air surrounding the conductor, and this is a, so breakdown voltage is directly proportional to the air density factor. So air density factor is also a main consideration according to the factor affecting corona. Now, environmental facts and a condition. Following environmental facts and condition increases the corona effect. Low pressure conditions or hilly areas. Low pressure conditions, so air density factor is also reduces and air density factor is reduces, so breakdown voltages become a low value, so corona effect is increases. High temperatures area. At the high temperature, ionization easily done, so corona occur at the lower voltages. Places where there is a heavy rain, at a heavy rain area there is a humid weather, so ionization of air take place at the easily, so corona occur at the lower voltage, and the snow areas create a humid weather, so the corona is increases. Now, advantages and disadvantages of the corona. Corona has a many advantage and disadvantage. In a correct design of the high voltage overhead line, a balance should be struck between the advantage and disadvantage. Now first, due to the corona formation, air surrounding the conductor becomes a conducting, and hence virtual diameter of the conductor is increased. Thus, increased diameter reduce the electrostatic stress between the conductors. So, corona reduce the effect of the transient produced by the surges. And some industries use this effect to remove the unwanted volatile organics from the atmosphere. Now, disadvantage. The corona is accompanied by a loss of energy. This affects the transmission efficiency of the line. Ozone is produced by a corona and may cause a corrosion of a conductor due to the chemical action. The current drawn by a line due to the corona is a non-sinusoidal, and hence non-sinusoidal voltage drop occurs in the line, and this may cause inductive interference with a neighboring communication line. So the radio and TV interference is also occurs, and corona effect can also damage the line insulation. Now next is reducing method of the corona effect. Methods for reducing corona. It has been seen that intense corona effect are observed at a working voltage of 33 kV or above. Therefore, a careful design should be made to avoid corona on a substation or bus bar rated for 33 kV and higher 33 kV voltages. Otherwise, highly ionized air may cause a flashover in the insulation or between the phases. So this create a damage to the equipment. So corona effects can be reduced by using this following method: by increasing conductor size, or by increasing conductor spacing, or using a bundle conductor. Now, by increasing conductor size. By increasing conductor size, the voltage at which corona occurs is raised, and hence corona effect are considerably reduced. This is one of the reason that ACSR conductors, which have a larger cross-sectional area, are used in a transmission line. And this figure shows ACSR conductors, and full form of ACSR is Aluminium Conductor Steel Reinforced Cable. So core is made of aluminium and outer side is made of steel. Now next is using bundle conductors. Bundle conductors produce a less resistance and thus losses are reduced. This is a figure for the bundle conductors. And by increase a conductor spacing means by increasing a spacing between the conductors, the voltage at which corona occurs is raised, hence corona effect can be eliminated. However, spacing cannot be increased too much, otherwise the cost of a supporting structure may increase to a considerable extent. Supporting structure like a bigger cross arm and support may be required, so it may be an increase. Thank you.